Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and an anti-static wrist strap pin. These tools will help you safely open your laptop and replace the screen without causing damage. First, power off your HP 16A001NS and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery if possible. This is crucial to prevent any electrical issues while you work on the device. Next, locate the screws securing the screen bezel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are out, use the plastic prying tool to gently pry the bezel away from the screen. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this can crack the bezel. With the bezel removed, you will see the screws holding the screen in place. Remove these screws and set them aside. Now, gently tilt the screen forward to access the cable connections at the back. If you notice any dust or debris, use a soft cloth to clean the area before proceeding. Disconnect the video cable by carefully lifting the connector. If you find it difficult, remember to take your time and avoid using excessive force. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable doing this yourself, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the help you need. Once the old screen is disconnected, take your new screen and connect the video cable. Make sure it is securely attached. Then, carefully position the screen back into the frame and replace the screws to hold it in place. Before reassembling the bezel, it's a good idea to test the new screen. Power on your laptop and check if the image displays correctly. If everything looks good, power it off again and proceed to reattach the bezel. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transportation. Align the bezel back onto the screen and press it gently until it clicks into place. Replace the screws you removed earlier to secure the bezel. Finally, reinsert the battery and connect your laptop to the power source. In summary, replacing the screen on your HP 16A001NS is a straightforward process if you have the right tools and follow these steps carefully. If you prefer not to handle this yourself, we offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution to get your laptop back in working order. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.